Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's one of my favorite days of the month. The January Magical Mystery Bead Box is here. I'm super excited. I just opened the label. I haven't peeked at all. So let's see what's in here. So this is a Magical Mystery Book Club. Oh, I love that. The only thing I do more than making jewelry and working is reading. So I read a lot. So this is the January 2023 edition. Aw, that's cute. I love that. They always have such good themes. So, and it's a library card. I love that. So what's inside? Here are all the different things, and we'll leave that there and go through everything. I love it. They have mostly recyclable packaging. They have the box, then they have like the little crinkles at the bottom. Let's see what's going on. What is this? Literature cord? That's cool. Oh my gosh, that's cool. So there's like script on the outside, and then on the inside there's just other types of writing. So shine brightly with flashes of light, be vivacious and witty. Noun, a glittering flash of light. Oh, okay. Oh, it's all the same. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if like the word is on the top. I don't know. I can't really read what that says, but it says shine brightly with flashes of light, be vivacious and witty. Noun, a glittering flash of light. That's so cute. I love that. And it's really nice. It's like I don't know if this is leather, but I have a feeling it's like faux leather, but it's like super soft and really nice. It has a really nice feel. Cool. Let's see. We have a bunch of mixes. Oh my, there's a lot going on in here. Okay, so we have some cord ends. I'm guessing these, yeah, that'll be cool to go with these, or this cord goes with the cord ends. We have some paper clip gold. Oh, it says gold metal chain, but mine's silver. That's okay. Happens. Or maybe it's a typo, who knows. But I love some paper clip chain. And some of you asked where I get a lot of my chain, and a lot of it comes from Jesse James Beads because they have great chain. All right, I guess we're going to just go through the mixes because it looks like there's like 6 little mini mixes in here. Let's see. This one is Pride and Prejudice bead mix. I don't think I haven't read a lot of these books. I don't know. I read a lot, but I don't read this type of book. I would, but I haven't. So we have some periwinkle drops. Those are pretty. Oh, some like pale, these almost look like crunch berries, like the Captain Crunch cereal with the little berries, but they're lava. They're like a pale red. They're not pink though. We have 2 tiny tassels, 2 very large hole ceramic beads. Love that. Those could go on that cord. More periwinkle crystals. Love periwinkle. Some gray matte crystals. And then 2 different colors of the same bead cap. So antique brass and silver. And then we have some, I want to say like vanilla ice cream, but like vanilla cream looking luster oval crystals. It's a lot of different words there. And some little barrels. Those are really cool. Cute little mix. I think that would be a nice bracelet or necklace with that mix. Next, we'll go to Frankenstein's Monster because that's the next one on the list. They put the years on here when it was created and who the author is, and then for their 3 things they put that they're the author. That's pretty cool. Ooh, I'm seeing some gemstones in here. So we have 2 Pandora style beads. These are glass. They're very pretty. Some nice I thought it was just like a hematite looking bead, but it's got that nice dark purple glow on the inside. Those are beautiful. I see some earrings with those. Some shell ovals. Very cool. I'm going to say, oh gosh, and I never say the name right. Every time I think I got it right, somebody corrects me. It's, I want to say Brushiated Jasper. And then we have some little black drops. This is a cool mix. Kind of reminds me of dinosaurs. I don't know why. I don't know why it reminds me of that, but maybe it's the Jasper. And then we have these really cool things that actually look like little sea urchins. I love those. Those are some nice, they always have really great metal. Some cool little spacers in antique brass. And some more spacers in silver. These look like little UFOs. And then these really big barrel beads. And I can't really tell. I don't think it's in a language that I'm supposed to be able to read, because I certainly can't. But I think it's a cool bead. And look at the sword. It's so intricate. This would be cool with maybe some patina on it or something too. Very cool mix. I love those beads. Actually, those and the sea urchin beads were pretty cool. Here's the Little Women mix. Oh, we've got pastels. Oh, cool. What is this? That's a cool bead. Look at that. At first I thought it was check, but I don't think it is. It's pressed glass, but I don't think it's check. That's cool with the AB on it. And then we have some two-tone glass. It's got a finish on the outside to give it that two-tone color. It's pink and like peachy. Cool, weird like flattened dog bone shape. Some pearls. Ooh, some flowers. These are also pressed glass again. They're not check though. Then we have some pink flowers, just like the green ones. And then, ooh, some ceramic green beads. These look like frog green, like tree frog green. Some pink cubes. Goldie's just doing everything she can to get my attention right now. The funny thing is she just tried coughing, and I swear she only coughs when I'm doing a video. She doesn't do it any other time, and I think it's only to get my attention, because every single time I ask her if she's okay. If I don't, she'll stop. It's so funny. So then we have some little bead caps in silver. Two more of these cool, I don't know, I just feel like they're like called pod beads or something. I don't know what those are. And then more of the same. That's pretty cool. Interesting little mix. Next we have Anne of Green Gables. This is interesting. It's so we have book club. These are all very classic books. I would love to see them do this again and maybe do contemporary books, or more contemporary books, I should say. Maybe not real contemporary, but we've got some crystal coins. Those are beautiful, so sparkly. Oh, some copper. Oh, these are nice and heavy too. Copper ball metal beads. Some drops in like a champagne color. Ooh, those are cute. These look like little flowers from maybe like a dogwood tree. I love those. We've got some antique brass flowers. I think I have earrings kind of rolling around in my brain for those. Love these green crystals. Ooh, little tiny green crystals. Oops. And look at these. These are, I don't have any crystals that shape. That is interesting. I have some that are similar, but nothing exactly like that. That is cool. I love it when I can get a new shape. Tucson. I don't know when this video is going to air, but today is the 24th. Tucson is 4 days away. Today is Tuesday, and I have a lot of work between here and then. So I'm just so excited to see new beads right now, because even though I've been posting hauls, I've been on a freeze, so I haven't been buying beads. It's just been trying to get the videos out. Next we are on Murder on the Orient Express. Okay, black and red and pearl and gold. This is great. This is great. Look, we've got some beautiful crystal hearts. That's great going into Valentine's Day. I love those for earrings. And then I love these pearls. These coin pearls are fantastic. Look at those. Oh, those are so much fun. Oh, I love them. And then look at these beautiful, these are also pressed glass, but again, not check, but they're pressed glass flowers. I know some of you are gonna be like, how can you tell they're not check? I can. The holes aren't right. Some of the, well, not right, but the holes aren't what check glass holes look like, and some of the impressions aren't the same as what a check glass flower would look like. Still really beautiful beads though. And then we have 2 red ovals, some ceramic beads like those green ones in the other mix. We have again this flower, but it's in black. And then we have some bead caps. We might be doing an earring blitz out of these this box. And then 2 or 4, I should say, black beads encased in bead caps. That's really cool. Made into some dangles. And then some really nice spacers. I love these spacers. I like that mix. Even though it's red, which is not my favorite, I think this one's my favorite mix so far. Last but not least, mix-wise, we have Charlotte's Web. I used to be a big fan of that when I was a little kid. Okay. Ooh, we have, these are stone. I think they're probably dyed. I don't think they're lapis. If they are lapis, they're definitely dyed. But they're very cute. Love that color. Ooh, some nice Baroque drops. Crystal drops. Ooh, we have some, are these? Yeah, they are table cut glass edged beads. Some gold drops. Oh, there are a lot of these Baroque pieces. I love that. That'd be cute in a necklace. And then we have some gold. We had these in silver earlier in the box. Oh, I like these. Sorry for the dog barking in the background. And oh, another gold, just a different color gold spacer. And some bicones. And that's it for this mix. That is such a cool mix. I love those Baroque pieces a lot in that one. And last but not least, we got a book charm set. We saw this with, I think, the Beetlejuice box last year. But look at this. That's a cool thing. I've seen a lot of people do things with like book charms and mini books in 2022. Oh, that's cute. Anna Green Gables. Love that. And it's a little charm. Oh, adorable. We have Pride and Prejudice. We have Charlotte's Web. I really like that one because I really liked that book when I was a kid. We have Frankenstein's Monster. And Murder on the Orient Express. And Little Women. My mom read that to us when we were kids too. Very cool. My favorite was this bead mix. I can't believe, okay, so we got six bead mixes. My favorites were, well, I mean, I like them all, but my favorites were these 3, the red and black and white, the one with the jasper and the blue one. Oh, and I really like that bead too. I don't know. I liked it all. And then this was cool. We got some chain and this really cool cord. So I'm excited. I'm excited to play with this. Stay tuned because we're going to have a video on it with a tutorial. So thanks so much for watching. Again, if you want to subscribe to this box, I'll leave a link. All right, stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Did you just wink at the camera? Yeah, that was cute.